Apple fans, the wait is almost over. The Apple Watch Series 11 is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades in years. With leaks, rumors, and surprising new features surfacing ahead of the official launch, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from design changes and performance boosts to cutting-edge health features, battery improvements, and the all-important price and release date. So whether you're rocking a Series 7, 8, or even a Watch Ultra, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end for our take on whether it's worth the upgrade. The evolution of Apple Watch. Before we dive into Series 11, let's rewind a little. The Apple Watch has come a long way since 2015. From basic fitness tracking to now monitoring heart health,
sleep,
blood oxygen, and even crash detection. It's clear Apple is moving toward a full-on health wearable, with Series X marking the 10-year milestone and Apple's big redesign moment. Series 11 looks like it's going to build on that momentum with powerful refinements and next-gen sensors, design, and display leaks, design-wise. Don't expect a radical overhaul like we saw with Series X. Instead, the Apple Watch Series 11 is rumored to retain the sleeker, flatter-edge design introduced last year. However, several reliable tipsters, including Mark Gurman and Shrimpapella Pro, suggest thinner bezels around the display, display glass with better shatter resistance, a possible micro-LED prototype, though this might be saved for Apple Watch Ultra 3 or Series 12. One interesting leak suggests a new titanium black finish replacing the stainless steel option, new S10 chip performance and battery life inside. The Apple Watch Series 11 will likely be powered by the new S10 chip, built on a 3-nanometer architecture, offering up to 20% faster performance, better power efficiency, and on-device machine learning for Siri and Health Insights battery. Life might finally get a modest boost with rumors of 28 to 30 hours on a single charge in low power mode. 10. New features of Apple Watch Series 11, blood pressure monitoring, major upgrade. Apple has been working on non-invasive blood pressure tracking, and Series 11 may finally introduce cuffless blood pressure alerts using new sensors. This would be a huge step forward in health wearables. Sleep apnea detection. The Apple Watch may also detect potential signs of sleep apnea, using enhanced sleep and respiratory sensors, and prompt users to seek medical evaluation. Improved Siri health integration with on-device Siri powered by the S10 chip. Apple Watch 11 could offer faster, more private health queries like "What was my heart rate yesterday during my run?" all without the cloud. New health app metrics. Apple may add hydration tracking, core body temperature trends, and more detailed VO2 max stats, all focused on helping users optimize training and recovery. New activity rings and smart coaching. Expect AI-powered coaching via watchOS 11 with adaptive activity goals, smarter ring closing recommendations, and recovery days suggested automatically. New band and strap designs according to supply chain leaks. Apple is working on new magnetic bands, leather alternatives, and recycled materials, possibly with a modular sensor embedded in premium models. Mental Health Insights. Series 11 may expand the mindfulness app with mood detection, possibly using a combination of heart rate variability, facial expression via iPhone, and voice tone analysis. Find My Watch Precision with ultra-wideband Gen 2. Finding your watch or your iPhone will become even more precise, like AirTags, but better. Temperature tracking enhancements. While skin temperature tracking exists in Series 8 and up, Series 11 may support real-time thermal imaging trends, enhancing menstrual cycle predictions and illness detection. Longer battery life and fast charging. 2.0. The new S10 chip combined with better battery optimization might unlock 2 to 3 more hours of standard use, plus a faster charging system, 0% to 80% in under 45 minutes. Price leaks and storage. Now, let's talk price. While inflation and rising component costs suggest an increase, most analysts predict Apple Watch Series 11 GPS starting at $399 USD. Apple Watch Series 11 GPS plus Cellular starting at $499 USD. Storage may remain at 32 gigabytes, although some rumors suggest a 64 gigabytes bump for those using offline music apps. And Maps. Release date and launch event. Apple is expected to unveil the Apple Watch Series 11 on September 10th, 2025. Alongside the iPhone 17 lineup at the annual fall event, pre-orders will likely begin on September 13th. With shipments and in-store availability by September 20th, should you upgrade? So should you upgrade to the Apple Watch Series 11? Here's the breakdown. If you're using a Series 7 or older, this is a massive leap in health tracking, speed, and design. For Series 8 users, it's a solid step forward, especially if blood pressure or sleep apnea detection matter to you. If you already have a Series X, it might be worth waiting another year unless you're after every health innovation. Watch OS 11 sneak peek alongside the new watch. Watch OS 11 will deliver a redesigned Vitals dashboard, smarter Siri suggestions, new widget stacks, better calendar and productivity features, and even translation tools on the go. And that's everything we know and hope about the Apple Watch Series 11. From smarter health tools and performance boosts to a possible leap in battery life, Apple's next wearable looks ready to impress. What features are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our hands-on review the moment Series 11 drops. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay connected, and stay curious.